Okay, this is a Cat C-15. This one's a 6NZ. Main seal installation. You pretty much have to do it with a tool, and that's the tool right there. You see me tighten in those 12.5/8 bolts on there. Also line up the dowel on the rear with that hole you've seen in the guide part of the tool. That's a 1 5/16, I believe. Now you can feel it pull in and you can feel it stop. You don't have to crank on it once it stops. And if you got to crank on it in the beginning, there's something wrong. Preparation for this is to clean all the old paint around the outside edge, or at the inner edge, outside edge of the seal, the inner part of that housing. And you need to inspect it for cracks and burrs and gouges, and you inspect the crank too, and you might have to really file it off or buff it off. And then if you got anything like that, and anything that gives that oil a path to get out of there, you're going to have a leak. So a lot of times a thin coat of silicone, or I really kind of like anaerobic sealer. It seems like it doesn't make as much of a mess for me as silicone, and looks a lot cooler and cleaner. So these have wear sleeves, so you can do the crank or the housing. And I don't know how this got thrown in here, but I guess that's about everything, except make sure that you realize that they're directional seals. That's it.